Hey guys, today has been a pretty uneventful day. I did some baking. I'm going to insert those clips here. Hey guys, so today's task, I'm going to make some lemon bread. I'll show you guys the ingredients that you need. Okay guys, so I'm starting with a cup of sugar. There's a lump in it, but it doesn't matter because I'm going to blend it, and some butter, and I'm going to whip it until it's fluffy. Okay, so it's looking some light and fluffy now. I got to beat in 2 eggs. 2 large eggs, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice, and 1 tablespoon of lemon zest. So I'm going to go zest the lemon and get the other ingredients, and we're going to go and beat this all together. Alright, the lemon juice and the lemon zest, even after Mike cut himself, is in there. The oven is preheating to 350 and my pan is already lightly greased. So now I got to make a flour. Hold on, I forget what it was. Okay, so I got to put dry ingredients in another bowl. It's going to be a cup and a half of flour, a teaspoon of baking powder, and a 1/8 teaspoon of salt, so basically a pinch of salt, and then a half a cup of milk in another bowl, and I got to alternate pouring them in and mixing it. So that's what I'm going to do now. I'll leave the recipe down below too in case anybody's interested. Alright, it's in the oven and it has to cook for 45 minutes. And I'm going to make a glaze for it. Okay, it's all cooked and glazed. I don't know what happened, but it's sunk in the middle. I have no idea. Mike had to climb up on the top of the cupboard for something to get down, so he might have made it sink. I don't know, but whatever. It's still going to taste yummy, so. I have a few mail deliveries that I'm waiting for, so I stayed home all day, but I did get 2 things from Amazon that came in. And then we had to go to Superstore to pick up groceries that I ordered a few days ago. Like, not groceries, just a few things that we wanted because we wanted to barbecue this weekend. So, yeah, we can barbecue. We're allowed to go outside to barbecue. But, yeah, I picked up, we got some steak and some corn on the cob and stuff like that. So, we're going to have a nice barbecue Sunday because the weather's supposed to be nice. So, I'm looking forward to that. So, I'll insert those little clips here of what I picked up, what we ordered from Superstore, and also the little Amazon package, well, the 2 little Amazon packages that came in. I'm also expecting something tomorrow. Star's been barking a lot, and I'll explain that in a minute. Let me show you guys the clip here. Okay, Purolator came today, so I got this from Flawless Finishing Touch Flawless Brows. I have one that removes hair from my chin and my lip that I got at Christmas time. So I ordered this one. My sister uses it just to keep my brows kind of a little less bushy. And I got this that says, I'm a freaking unicorn. No, I'm freaking magical. And then, oh, it shows you how much water to consume by what point in the day. So that's a little Amazon order that I made a while ago that it just came in. And then we ordered some groceries and picked them up at Superstore. So we got some steak because we're going to have steak Sunday. Corn on the cob. I love this yogurt. I got a banana one in the fridge. I had to pick up some more butter and some veggies. And that's my banana loaf that Mike's been eating at. And some bananas. So, oh, and I also got like little marinade stuff for marinating and stuff, but I already put it away. So I'm going to go put this away and I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. Got to eat my supper too. So as I explained, we're waiting for another package tomorrow, and Star started barking a lot. She's barking at everything. There's a tenant that used to live upstairs that used to aggravate Star when we were gone. He'd either walk by the windows outside or walk through the hallway and like make noise in the hallway to get her barking. And I know dogs are supposed to bark, but Star's a little out of control lately. She never used to be that out of control, but now she is. So we had to order her a bark collar, but it's not a shock one. Don't worry, I would never put a shock collar on my dogs. It's citronella, and when she barks, it squirts out some citronella in the air, and you guys probably seen them, and she doesn't like the smell of it. She'll probably only have to wear it for a few hours for a couple of days. She'll realize what it is, and then she'll stop, because that's how Mike controlled her before. I mean, if you live in an apartment building, you got to consider that your dog's going to bark a little bit, because they're going to hear noises out in the hallway, and people are going to come to the door. But she's just really, 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 like, it's not aggressive barking either, it's just barking. And it can be annoying. And I don't know, no neighbors have ever complained about her either, but it's just, I guess, more so annoying than anything. But she's probably protecting her little pack. Like, Star is very protective of Cassie, for instance. If another dog went to attack Cassie, Star would probably try her best to, like, pummel the dog, I swear, because, well, actually, she did, because my friend Kathy has a Old English Bulldog, and Cassie snarled at him one day because he was sniffing and bugging her, and Star ran over and grabbed him. So, she's not afraid of anything. And if anybody ever tried to come at me, she'd do the same thing. Like, me and Mike carry on sometimes, and she goes nuts. She tries to bite Mike. But anyway, I'm going to go have some supper because it's getting close to 5 o'clock, and I'm getting hungry. Or hangry, and then I don't know what I'm doing. I'll show you guys if I do something else exciting today. If not, I'll come back and end the video and just have a little chit chat with you guys. Don't mind my hair either. It's a mess. I have it in a scrunchie. Scrunch hood scrunchie. Woohoo! With barely any hair in my ponytail because my hair is so thin. I don't know. I'm thinking about getting castor oil shampoo because I heard that's supposed to be good. So we might try that out because Garnier Whole Blends has castor oil in one of their shampoos. So I might try that, or I might just directly do castor oil treatments. Okay, I'm rambling now. I'm going to go eat. I'll talk to you guys in a little bit. This one thinks she's a cat. Star? Star? Do you think you're a cat? Tigger, you leave those birds alone. Tigger, leave the birdies alone. My cat, I told you guys before in a video, my pets keep me sane. Alright, so I had a nice salad and some chicken for supper. Aww. Aw, you're being sweet today. Give them Star kisses. Oh, isn't that nice? And I caught that on camera. See, sometimes they're affectionate. It's mostly Tigger. Tigger's a sooky baby, aren't you, Tigger? He's bad, but he's a sook. Aw, you're giving your sister kisses. Now he's gonna walk on me. So yeah, we had supper. Oh, okay. Can you get any closer, butthead? There, you guys get cat butt in your face. See, I like it when he's like this. Yeah, so we had supper. Nothing else much going on. I'm just watching Buffy the Vampire Slayer right now. I have them all on DVD, but yet when they're on TV, I watch it anyway because if you guys don't know that about me, it's my all-time favorite show. I could probably quote every episode. Literally. I can... like, it's bad. I watch Buffy, like, all of the seasons pretty much every year. And like I said, still, when it's on cable, I watch it. But anyway, I'm not really doing much today. I was going to actually do real videos for you guys, but it is supposed to be sunnier the next few days. So, I kind of just took a rest this week. A rest from doing nothing, because I'm in house arrest. But I have a couple ideas for a couple videos, so I'll put them up this week. Oh, sorry, next week. And, yeah, so my videos have kind of been boring this week, so I'm sorry about that. But it's real life right now, right? Like, we're all in the house, and sometimes you just... I don't know, my energy's been kind of this week. I gotta start drinking more water again to get my energy back up. I'm tired from doing nothing. I don't know. It is nice out today. It's very sunny. And it's warm. I was out with the dogs earlier. So I was out for a little while, just out in the fresh air. And then, like I said, we had to go pick up groceries at Superstore. So I did that. And, yeah, it was just nice. I just ordered some more earrings from Post and Stud. She did hoops with, like, pearls on them. And I just thought they were cute. So I ordered the bigger pair and the smaller pair. So it's just Post and Stud on Facebook or Instagram, and then I think it's postandstud.com if anybody's interested in her earrings. I did show you guys the earrings. No, I didn't show you guys the earrings that I got yesterday. I think I showed them on Instagram, but I didn't show them in a video or anything. I'll show them to you guys. I'm just chatting away to you guys. Mike's not home, so I'm just like, hey, what am I gonna do? Kind of bored, so I'll sit here and talk to you guys for a bit. If people heard me talking to myself, they'd think I was nuts, but you know, I'm not talking to myself, I'm talking to you guys. People just don't know that. So I got these ones, which are gold sparkles, and they're like flowers. These were on sale for like $9. And then I got, these ones were on sale for $9 too. She was trying to clear out some of her inventory. These are like a creamsicle orange color with some like white spots and then sparkles in them. They're very light too. I did one of these hand masks. I don't think I showed you guys this. I put one of these hand masks on my hands the other day because my hands are super dried out. And they helped a bit, but now my hands are dried out again. I got like little white, I don't know if you can see, let me see. There's like little white spots around my knuckles, and my knuckles were actually cracking. Not good. I started comprising a list of products that didn't work for me, so you can expect to see that video coming up within the next, I don't know, maybe week or two. Because I'm trying out some newer makeup. And there's some things that just weren't working for me. So I will put those in a video very soon. I'm just telling you guys what you can expect to see coming up on my channel. I have like a different type of video. It's not makeup related. That's going to be coming up. Well, it's not different. It's hair related, I guess. So still beauty. What else do I have? I'm trying to work on I'm not going to tell you what celebrity. It's not actually a celebrity. It's a TV character. I'm trying to work on a TV show character inspired look. Like, I don't look nothing like the person, but I'm going to try, like, to recreate, like, what they do for their makeup. That was, like, a request that somebody gave me, so I'm going to try to work on that. I'm going to have empties coming up soon because my empties are starting to pile up. What else? I'm going to do, excuse me, I'm going to do a everyday spring kind of, it's not natural, I guess. It's going to be like a lot of dewy, creamy products, which is weird for me because my skin is oily. I'm not exactly sure how I'm doing that yet. I'm thinking about, there's a couple different things that I'm playing around with. I'm either going to do like a drugstore kind of natural, no makeup, no makeup look sort of thing. Kind of something that I would do on an everyday basis. And then I'm also, well, I have Sephora via, there's going to be a haul coming shortly because I did order from the Sephora VIB sale twice. I'm a shopaholic, I can't help it. Yeah, and then I ordered like some clothes and stuff, so you're going to see some hauls, but I'm probably going to be waiting for a while for parcels to come in, so you might not see hauls for like a month or something, and I'll try to space them out a little bit. But yeah, and some of them I'll just do in vlogs like this, like with the stuff that I got today from Amazon. I'll just put it in a vlog like I did today. So like if I only get like one little thing or something in the mail, I'll just show it to you guys. But anyway, I'm rambling. But I mean, I don't mind rambling and talking to you guys. Sometimes people just sit here and talk to the camera for like 30 minutes. I don't think I could. Well, I probably could do that because I'm a talker. But yeah, I think I'm just going to edit this and put it up for you guys. And then this weekend, while the sun is out and it's nice and shiny, I'm going to get to work on some videos for the next couple of weeks and try my hardest. I'm just going to get my butt in gear and do it. So anyway, I hope you guys are having a great week. I hope you guys are all well and doing good. And I will talk to you guys all in my next video. Oh, sorry, if you have any requests for videos, leave them down below. Because, like I said, I'm writing them out in my book. I have stuff that I'm writing out. I'm actually, oh, another video that I'm working on is recent Amazon favorites. So, I don't know. People are interested in different things. Like, some of my videos get, like, a lot of views. Some don't get as many views. Not a lot compared to some YouTubers. Like, I've been getting under 100 views on videos lately. But you know what? I don't do it for the views or anything like that, or for the subscribers. I do it because I enjoy it, and I'm really getting back into it lately. Like this week was kind of a miss, but that's okay. There's sometimes that we have to have misses, right? Like not great content, I guess. But I know my people that have been following me for years. I know anything that I post, they pretty much watch and comment on. Thanks, guys. I appreciate it. But anyway, yeah, I have some good content, hopefully, that you guys will enjoy coming up in the next little bit. Star, you want to say goodbye? Say bye. Say bye-bye. She doesn't know what I'm talking about. Anyway, guys, I'll talk to you guys on my next video. Bye, everyone.